Akita training for herding trials, instincts unleashed. Herding trials are competitive events that assess a dog's ability to work livestock. While herding dogs such as Border Collies and Australian Shepherds are commonly associated with these trials, other breeds can also excel in this field. One such breed is the Akita, a powerful and dignified dog with a natural instinct for herding. In this article, we will explore the training methods and techniques to unleash an Akita's herding instincts and prepare them for herding trials. Understanding the Akita breed. The Akita is a breed that originated in Japan and was traditionally used for guarding, hunting, and herding. Their strong work drive and intelligence make them well suited for herding trials. However, it is important to remember that each individual Akita may have different levels of herding instinct. Some may have a stronger drive to herd, while others may require more training to uncover their instincts. Early socialization and exposure. To prepare an Akita for herding trials, early socialization and exposure are crucial. It is recommended to expose them to various livestock animals from a young age. This can include controlled interactions with cattle, sheep, or even ducks. Positive reinforcement techniques should be used to associate these interactions with rewards and praise. Gradually increase the exposure to more challenging herding environments to build their confidence. Basic obedience training. Before diving into herding-specific training, it is important to establish a strong foundation of basic obedience commands. Teach your Akita commands such as sit, stay, recall, and leave it. These commands will serve as building blocks for more advanced herding training. Introducing herding commands. Once your Akita has a good grasp of basic obedience, it's time to introduce herding-specific commands. The most commonly used commands in herding trials are come by, away to me, and steady. It is crucial that these commands are distinctive and easily understandable for your dog. Consistency and repetition are key in teaching these commands effectively. Working with a professional trainer. Herding trials require a high level of precision and skill to excel. Working with a professional dog trainer who has experience in herding can greatly benefit both you and your Akita. They can guide you on proper techniques, help you understand your dog's instincts, and provide valuable feedback to enhance your training sessions. Building drive and focus. Unleashing an Akita's herding instincts requires building drive and focus. Engage your Akita in energetic play sessions using toys or balls. This will help tap into their natural prey drive and ignite their instincts. Incorporate short herding exercises during playtime by guiding your dog to move around obstacles or follow simple commands. Gradual exposure to livestock. As your Akita progresses with basic herding commands, gradually introduce them to working with livestock in a controlled environment. Start with calm and experienced animals such as sheep or goats. Use long lines or fencing to ensure safety and maintain control. Observe your Akita's behavior closely, rewarding them for displaying herding instincts and proper responses to commands. Practice makes perfect. Consistency and regular practice are essential to succeed in herding trials. Set aside dedicated training sessions that involve a combination of obedience and herding exercises. As your Akita becomes more proficient, increase the complexity of the tasks and the distractions. Attend local herding events or participate in organized training sessions to expose your dog to different environments and gain valuable experience. While the Akita may not be the first breed that comes to mind when one thinks of herding trials, they have the potential to excel in this field with the right training and guidance. By understanding the breed's instincts and utilizing effective training techniques, you can unleash your Akita's herding abilities and participate in competitive herding trials. Remember to always prioritize the welfare and safety of your dog and seek professional assistance when needed. With dedication and patience, you and your Akita can embark on a rewarding journey